In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone else's calendar using Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to quickly find a time that works for everyone, whether you're setting up a one-on-one or coordinating a larger group. A quick note before we start, what you can see on another person's calendar depends on your organization's settings and what that person has shared. In many cases, you'll see free or busy blocks rather than full details, which is exactly what you need for scheduling. Let's begin in Microsoft Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer and switch to the calendar from the left-hand panel. This shows your schedule first so you have a clear baseline. Now look for the Add Calendar option and select it. From the list that appears, choose from directory. This brings up a search field where you can type the name of the person whose availability you want to check. If multiple results come up, pick the correct contact from your organization. After you select the person, their calendar will appear alongside yours. The side-by-side view makes it easy to scan for open slots. If you prefer, you can use the day or workweek view to narrow your focus, which often makes gaps easier to spot. Remember, if you only see free and busy time, that's normal. Use those blocks to align on a suitable window. When you're done, you can simply leave the calendar visible for future reference or close it later to reduce visual clutter. Now let's move over to Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams app and choose Calendar from the left menu. Click New Meeting to start a meeting draft. Inside the meeting setup, open the Scheduling Assistant. This tool provides a timeline view of everyone's availability. In the field labeled Add Required Attendees, start typing the person's name. Teams will suggest people from your organization as you type. Select the correct contact and their availability appears in the grid. Add any additional people the same way. As you do, you'll see where schedules overlap and where conflicts exist, so you can adjust the date, time, or duration until you find a slot that works for everyone. If you work across time zones, double-check the time zone indicator to avoid confusion. Both Outlook and Teams give you fast, reliable ways to compare schedules and avoid back-and-forth emails. By using these features, you'll save time, prevent conflicts, and keep your planning smooth and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.